When it's not always raining, there'll be days like this. When there's no one complaining, there'll be days like this. When everything falls into place like the flick of a switch. Well, my mama told me there'll be days like this.
It's on Larkin. No mistake.
They said that Meath were the team that couldn't be beaten. We were the team that beat the team.
Speech Portwood, bearing down, under 20, 13. Is this the All-Ireland title?
It goes to Bernard Flynn, and it's another goal. 2 goals for Bernard Flynn.
Kavanagh goes. Will he go for goal? Kavanagh! Great goal from Sean Kavanagh.
Is there a change in the mind there of Liam Griffin?
Oh, my mama told me there'd be days like this.
Right, okay. She's got singing song.
Some say the devil said, the devil said, the devil said, some say the devil said, and married and Clark.
She's a bit wild. As our friends used to say, stonemason by day, stone mad by night.
Sean in our house back then was affectionately known as Chunky Sean, and at university Sean would have been partial to a crisp sandwich.
Damien Barton, my coach in Jordanstown, I remember him coming up to me and saying, right Sean, do me a favour, whatever you're eating, could you please half it, and whatever you're training, could you please double it?
I remember one day lying in the hospital when I just lost my entire business. Those few days, they were probably the loneliest I've ever had in my life.
My mood started to deteriorate. On the drives in and out to Callan from Kilkenny, suicide comes into my mind an awful lot.
When you're looking after teams, getting out on your own for an hour and a half for a run, it does give you time to look at things objectively. It does give you the opportunity to look at the bigger picture, and many an issue has been decided in my own mind over the course of a run.
On Christmas Eve of 1995, Paddy McKieran was a gentleman, a doctor in Wexford, called me to his house and said, he told me, just look at the news is not good and she has MS. And that was fairly traumatic, I can tell you. She was so devastated herself, but I just said, look, that's me finished with Wexford Mary, I'm not going back anymore. And she said, no, 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 you can't do that.
People say, oh, you know, a bit of a shaper or whatever. He has that persona, but like, there's nothing further from the truth. If there was ever a case of don't judge a book by the cover, it's that man.
There'll be days like this.
When you needed Owen Larkin, he was there, and he was there in abundance.
There'll be days like this.
I would argue possibly the most consistent hurler for Kilkenny for 10 years.
Like the flick of a switch.
You cut him open, he's red and black. I mean, he's a down man to the absolute core.
There'll be days like this.
Was it Frank Sinatra? I did it my way.
When you don't need to worry, there'll be days like this.
And by Jesus, Griffin did it his way.
There'll be days like this when people
Ceann is imróí fear riamh a chnoch ó heh gluchas amach chun cín leis a caid.
When you ring out the changes of how everything is.
To be a dual player, to be that successful, to be that modest, to be that humble, and to be great crack as well.
Well, my mama told me
all those features sum up the kind of character that Breach is.
Oh, my mama told me there'd be days like this.